morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about the objective and function of Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association was founded in 1927. Dorabji Tata and Dr. Noreen became the founder, president and secretary general respectively of Indian Olympic Association. Sir Dorabji Tata was also elected the first IOC member in India. In 1928, Sir Dorabji Tata resigned from the post of president of IOA. The council consists of various members like president, 9 vice presidents, 6 joint secretaries, 1 secretary general, 1 treasurer, 7 representatives of State Olympic Association and 12 representatives of National Sports Association. Children, the objective of Indian Olympic Association are 1. To generate sense of loyalty, brotherhood and team spirit among the participants. 2. To bring the attention of world community to the values of physical education. 3. To bring attention toward competitive sports. 4. To develop a spirit of international understanding and goodwill. 5. Development and promotion of the Olympic movement. 6. To be the official organization in complete form and hold charge of all the matters related to the Olympic event. 7th objective of Indian Olympic Association is to undertake all responsibilities like selection, transportation, training, welfare of teams participating in Olympic Games with the help of NSF. 8. Take strict action against any federation for misbehavior or any other undesirable activity bringing discredit to the country. Enforce and defend the exclusive rights of the association to use the Olympic flag and Olympic insignia. Children, now I am going to tell you about the main functions of Indian Olympic Association. They decide the date and place of the next Olympics. The second function, they formulate and update the rules and regulations of the games and events. 3. They promote ethics in sports and education of youth through sports. 4. Ensures the celebration of Olympic Games. 5. Protects the independence of Olympic movement. 6th function of Indian Olympic Association is acts against discrimination affecting the Olympic movement. 7th, promotes women in sports at all levels. 8, fight against doping in sport. 9, encourages sport for all. 10, opposes political or commercial abuse of sport and athletics. Okay, children, today I have told you about objective and function of Indian Olympic Association. Okay, bye. Thank you.